Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to another KOFFI NOIR unboxing. Today I got a special treat for you guys. 2 orders came in today. I'm super excited to see how they turned out. And yeah, we're gonna dive right in. But first, I wanna give a shout out to Carl Gier of Note Chaser magazine. It's another Black-owned publication that I'm super excited about. A fan of Carl Gier's work as a photographer, and I'm super excited that this magazine is something that is an endeavor that he's chosen to go on. Oh, don't burn it. But yeah, for the most part, there's some wonderful shots in here highlighting all different types of stylish gentlemen, different brands, you name it. And I'm just super excited to dive in. This is issue number 2. I also have issue number 1 right here as well from a couple months ago. When I found out that he was coming out with this magazine, I'm like, you know what, I gotta support. So yeah, I believe these 2 issues are still available for sale. So yeah, I highly recommend everyone going to check out No Chaser magazine. You will not be disappointed. So yeah, without further ado, let's hop in to these unboxings real quick and let's see what we're working with here. Open it from right here. Our complimentary shoe horns that come with every shoe order. And yeah, let's see what's up in here real quick. Uh-oh, now this is what I think this is. Oh yeah. Yes, these bad boys right here. This is our Sekou trainer with the crocodile leather on the outside. We have a calf leather here on the tongue, on the cap toe. We have a black suede back here. Oh man, this is butter. With a black mongram sole, cemented and stitched. This is again, this client, I remember, wanted something really funky, something that stood out. He wanted a statement sneaker, and I must say, he's gonna make a statement with these. Just the quality is there. The stitching, as you can see, the craftsmanship. Wow, this is an amazing sneaker. It came out really well. Also, for those of you that have wide feet, I do offer a wide option for our clients that have slightly wider feet. I believe in the Sekou trainer, it goes to a triple E. So this person had wide feet and he ordered a double E, and you can see it right here in the corner. Yeah, I must say these came out. They came out real good, man. All right, let's check out the other shoe real quick. Make sure everything's good, and then we can pop open the other box. To the side. Yeah. This came out real good. Wow, this is a beautiful sneaker, I must say. Look at that. Boom. Also, all of our sneakers come with these waxed laces. I do have wax laces that come in different colors as well that you can order. So they come in navy, the white lace, of course, orange, purple, turquoise, you name it. So, I mean, with KOFFI Noir, you have a plethora of options to choose from when it comes to designing your own personalized sneaker for yourself. Again, these are a custom-made sneaker. So when you do go to the website, you know, those are just some standard shoe options that we have for folks that may not necessarily know what to pick, or you know, really just looking for something really nice that they can wear or whatnot. So we have those options readily available on the website. All you have to do is you know, go to checkout, and most definitely one of our representatives will follow up with you, you know, to see if there's any other specifications or questions that you may have, and then we'll go ahead and place that order for you. If you're someone that want to be different and unique, or want something that's a statement piece like this gentleman ordered right here, you know, you can go to our style curation service and fill out the survey, and that's where we can start the process of designing a custom sneaker made for you. Again, you're not going to see too many people with these. This is essentially a one-of-one, unless I create one for myself, of course. But yeah, you know, these are, you know, some really, really nice shoes. They turned out really well. I'm super, you know, excited, and I can't wait to see the client's reaction when I deliver these to him. Boom. All right, now let me pull out the second box. Actually, let's put this to the side. All right, what we have here is another client's order that came in. Again, complimentary shoehorn. Let's see what he's working with. I think I know which ones these are, actually. Yep. This is our Dennis slipper, our black tie edition. This is one of my favorite Belgian loafers. And the reason why we call it a black tie edition, because, you know, this is a very formal shoe that you wear in formal settings, right? So typically you have your dinner jacket or a tuxedo, something like that, when you're going to galas or, you know, very important events. You know, you'll whip out something like this. Typically you'll have the jacket that you wear either have a shawl collar or a peak lapel. It could be single-breasted or double-breasted. You know, dinner jacket or, you know, tuxedo jacket with the black trouser with the black satin line that goes down, and of course you finish it off with a pair of some nice patent leather loafers. Here is a black velvet on top with the patent tassels. You have a blue soft calf leather lining, and then of course this client wanted some dark red soles, and yeah, this came out really, really, really nice. Yeah, he's gonna be big stepping for real, without a doubt. We pull up in these joints right here. I can't wait to see his look when he adorns these. And then also, this is a double E as well. The client that ordered these, when he tried on the other pair that I had, he had said that they were kind of tight. So I went ahead and ordered a double E just in case, to see how that feels. Typically, if a shoe fits really tight on your foot, there's one or two things. The shoe is either too small, or you might want to wear a different style of sock when you're putting on these types of shoes, so you can, you know, get as much comfort and the best fit as possible. All right, let's check out the second shoe. Make sure everything is good to go. Okay, let's put this to the side. Oh yeah, these are beautiful. Yeah, I like patent leather a lot. You know, it's one of my favorite, you know, silhouettes that you can put on a shoe, like materials that you can put on a shoe. The Belgian Loafer is a beautiful silhouette that I like. I just like the shape. Also, too, I have really narrow feet, so I think it looks, you know, really well on my foot when I wear them. So, you know, I'm a huge advocate for the Belgian Loafer. Aesthetic, yeah. Look at this. Like, if the details are amazing, like the stitching, all the way down to, you know, the sole. Wow, they did a really good job with these. Yeah, I cannot wait to see his reaction when he receives these bad boys right here. This is the Dennis Belgian Loafer slipper. And they are fully customizable as well. So you can even change the color of these. You can put suede, you can put velvet on these, you can put linen even. You can even change this part of the shoe. You don't necessarily have to wear these, you know, for black tie events. I know me, I'll wear these on a regular day, patent leather, but that's because I like patent leather and I think of myself as a stylish person, of course. But, you know, it is what it is. At the end of the day, you know, these are sure to be a showstopper, and you're gonna, you know, get quite a few compliments, you know, donning a pair of these. So, all right, let me give you another angle. Wow, it's a very beautiful shoe, I must say. All right. Then we're gonna put them side by side. Well, that's all, folks. Here you have it. You have the Sekou trainer with the burgundy crocodile and calf leather with the suede heel tab, and you have the patent leather Belgian slipper. Yeah, again, this has been another unboxing by KOFFI NOIR. You know, if you want to support, head over to KOFFINOIR.com. That's KOFFINOIR.com. If you have any inquiries or interested in our styling curation or shoe customization service, send us an email at info@KOFFINOIR.com. As one of our representatives will be surely to get back to you within a day or so. Again, thanks for supporting our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video with some folks that may be interested in some nice pair of shoes. All right, then, you have a good one. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.